Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to review Realme Buds Air. So first of all, thanks to the Realme company for sponsoring me with this product. So we have all the features. We'll see it one by one. So first of all, let's unbox this and see what the contents are there. So first of all, let's open this. So we'll see what we'll get in here. So we are getting okay. When you open it, you're getting the pod itself with the case. So let's open it. So let's see what else is inside it. So this is the case, and inside we have some paperwork, and we have one USB, which is I think type C. Yes, so USB type C is given, so there is no problem in charging with the type C case if you have a type C mobile. So let's quickly see this what's inside. So if you open it, you'll have the two pods itself. There is a quick button, so to connect it. So we'll see how it looks. So yeah, if you want to charge it, you can put it directly into the case, and the case will charge the whole pods. So let's quickly open it and see what else is there. So yeah, it's kind of like very light. Together it will be some 8 grams. So yeah, so there is a type C port to charge your case, so you can put your case separately in charge. So let's quickly connect this to any other phone. So I have a Realme 5 Pro phone to check this. So initially the Bluetooth I'm making is off. So I switch on the Bluetooth, and if I open it, see, if I open it, and instantly it's pairing. See, you can see that it's instantly paired. So we'll see it one more time. So I have closed it. I have closed the case, and it is disconnected. But again, if I open it within this 1 or 2 seconds, see, now it has connected to this pods. So it's really nice of this because it supports the fast connect, and you can open your pods. You can put on your pods, and you can place the case somewhere, and you can use it. So now there is a mode called as low latency mode. In this, what will happen is the latency will be so less that you can play the games instantly. So for that, you have to hard press on the pods for like 4 seconds, and there will be some car sound coming up. So in this mode you can play PUBG. It's really good. So if you want to change the music, pause the music, you can double tap on it, and if you want to change the song, then triple tap on it. So there are some features which I have given. You can explore it in this thing. So yeah, it's a nice phone. If you play PUBG with 50 volume, you can actually experience this. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. If you want more review on this, please comment down below.